everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite engineer Ming to show you guys the function of the EPS motor design. We name it EPS filling gun limited. The main function of this filling gun limited is to quick install the EPS filling gun without spending time to align the surface of the filling gun to the surface of the mold cavity. It's a very small optimized, but it can save time. The EPS filling gun limited function only works for the Germany type EPS filling gun. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.